Hi everyone, I just threw together some spinach artichoke dip. This is going to be delicious. I'm going to tell you real quick what goes in it. I put 2 of these 12-ounce bags of microwave steamed spinach, put it in a strainer and drained it all out so there was no liquid. I had a jar of artichokes that I chopped up, a cup of mayonnaise, a cup of sour cream, and a cup of Parmesan cheese. Mixed it all together. Getting ready to put it in the oven and bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes. And this is great for if you have like a light dinner or you're having company over and you want to give them an appetizer. This is fabulous. Serve it with crackers, serve it with toasted bread. It's awesome. I'm going to put this in the oven now. Make sure that you hit the like button and the notification button so that you can be tuned in to all my upcoming